Very good day all, and welcome back to Art and Craft, a hobby. In the next 3 videos, I'll be showing you how to make quilt ballerinas. So let's start making the first one today. First, I'll be making the tutu or the ballerina dress, for which I have chosen different shades of purple. I'm going to quill one strip first and put it in the 15 mm slot of the shaper board. I'll then glue this coil and make a teardrop shape out of it. I'm now taking another shade of purple and I will make a tight coil with it. Glue the tight coil and then press it into an oval shape. And then I'm going to push it from one side to make a dome shape, and I'll secure this coil by gluing the inner side. We will need 5 such coils. Next, I've taken quarter strip of dark purple shade and I'm going to make a tight coil with this strip. I'm now going to join the 5 petals to make a flower. I will glue the dark purple tight coil to the center of the flower. I am now joining the teardrop shaped coil to the flower as I am showing in the video. Once the glue is dry, I'll be wrapping the teardrop shape and the flower together with a purple strip. I'll be using one complete strip to wrap this. We will need 5 of these patterns to make the tutu. I have now taken half strip of dark purple and I'll be quilling it and put it in the 10 mm slot, and I'll turn this into a teardrop shape. We will need 4 such coils. I'm now making the body of the ballerina. First, to make the head, I have taken 5 strips of skinny shade and I'm going to make a tight coil and glue it. I have taken half a strip of blonde shade and I'll make a loose coil out of it. I'll glue this and make a crescent shape. I will now glue this to the head to form the hair bun. To make the torso, I have taken 3 strips of lavender and 1 strip of light purple. I'm now going to make a coil with all these strips, with the lighter shade being on the outer side. And I'll put this in the 20 mm slot of the shaper board. I'll now glue this loose coil and shape it as I'm showing in the video. To make the neck, I have taken 1/3 of a strip and made it into multi-folds until I get the desired length. I will be gluing all the open ends and then I will join it to the head. I'm now going to make the arms, for which I have taken 4 strips. I'm going to make 4 folds out of this. And then I'll cut open the joint end. I'll now glue the mid point and secure all these strips together. I'll now join the arms to the torso, before which I'll make 2 small folds to form the shoulder. I will glue the arms as and when I'm shaping them. To make the legs, I have taken 4 strips and I'll cut it into equal halves. 1 half is for one leg. I will further fold this and glue the center to secure the strips together. I will now secure the open end by applying glue on each layer and securing them together. I'm now forming a loop-like structure on the upper part of the leg, and then I'll make the knee joint by gluing the middle of the strips. I am gluing each layer near the knee joint. Do not apply glue all at once because then it will be difficult to shape the arms or legs. I am now shaping the calf region as I am showing in the video. Similarly, I'll follow the same for the upper part of the leg. The leg is ready now. I'm going to follow the same procedure to make another leg. And now I'm going to glue the neck to the torso. Now let's join the 5 quilt pattern that we made for the tutu and allow it to dry. To make a base for the tutu, I am making an outline with the design we just made. And I'm adding 2 extra flaps on top. I will now cut this outline to get this shape. I'm now folding the additional marking that we made. I will glue the design to the cardboard. The dark purple teardrop shapes which we made earlier, I'm going to glue them between each patterns. So we'll need 4 of them here. And the tutu is ready. I'm now making the gloves and shoes for the ballerina, for which I'm taking half strip. I'll make a loose coil out of this and make a small teardrop shape. And this is going to be the feet or the ballerina shoes. I'm going to make another similar coil and shape it to form the palm. So to shape it, I'll hold it in one hand and pinch it from the other hand, such a way to get uneven ends as I'm showing in the video. To join the torso and the tutu, I'm using one strip to make a tight coil. I'll now glue this to the tutu and then glue it to the torso. So the flap that we have left behind the cardboard is going to give a 3D effect to the tutu. To join the legs to the tutu, I have first made a tight coil and glued it underneath the tutu. We are going to make a cross-legged pose for this ballerina. So I am gluing the leg in angle and now I will glue the feet to it. While gluing this feet, ensure it is pointed downwards, and now the other leg, I'll be cutting it into 2 at the knee joint and I'll cross it as I'm showing in the video. And the feet for this leg will be placed flat. Now making the hands, I'm going to position one arm on top of the head and the other arm will be placed on the belly. That is, the palm will be on the belly. So as and when I'm shaping the arm, I'm going to glue it at the elbow joint and at the wrist. To the glued wrist, I am now attaching the palm. Now for the left arm, I'll fold it similarly, ensuring the wrist is near the belly. I will glue the ends and attach the palm to the wrist. So our first ballerina doll is ready. Hope you all liked today's video. If you did, please do hit the like button and share your feedback in the comments section. Also, share and subscribe to Art and Craft, a Hobby. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.